that is top 5 Swadeshi Indian apps. You may be wondering that why I selected only 5 of them. Because I selected only 5 of them from the popular 40 Indian apps, because when you use these 5 of the apps, these apps will be very essential and useful for your day-to-day needs. So in this video, I am going to list out the apps in the ranking. I am going to tell you how to use this app, and I am also telling you the benefits of this app in this video. So let's get started.
Before getting started, please subscribe Quick Knowledge channel and press the bell icon beside it so that you will get latest notifications and updates of this channel.
Mobile phone. Now you can see a mobile phone which has become a very important gadget in our life. From computers which were very big, it's compressed into a mobile phone which is very user friendly. But can we run a mobile phone without any apps? Without any apps, we can't use that mobile phone. We need a very essential and useful apps. But now, as Swadeshi movement is going, Atmanirbhar campaign is going on, Indians have to use we need to encourage our Indian scientists who have been reading this app, Indian computer programmers who are coming up with very different types of ideas for apps. So now, these apps are being a very integral part of a mobile phone. Now, in this mobile phone, 5 Indian Swadeshi useful essential apps for our day-to-day needs. I am going to explain them 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in the rankings. So means the top one and the fifth one. I am not telling that the fifth one is a very worst. Fifth one is not. It's about the ranking. How user friendly it is. How we can use. Is it advanced or not? So for this mobile phone, we need apps, an Indian app, an essential and useful app for our day-to-day needs. And let's discuss about the 5 apps. Number 5, Say Namaste video conferencing app. Say Namaste video conferencing app is an Indian app which avails simple video conferencing. That you can meet your friends, colleagues, your schoolmates, your family, relatives through this app. This is a very simple app, but don't think that this is an advanced app like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams and Zoom. It's a very simple version that you can log in simple, you can chat simple, and the specialty of the Say Namaste is that you can send videos and photos in Say Namaste chat. So this Say Namaste chatting is a little advanced, and its video conferencing also is a very simple. So let's get into the app and see how it works.
And now here you can see a Say Namaste app. This is a number 5 application, the Swadeshi Indian apps. Let's click the Say Namaste app, and here you can see 2 tabs. One is create new meeting and one is join existing meeting. And above that you can also see a 3-dot button, a menu. Let's click on this, and in that it contains share the app, which you can share the link of this app. You can submit queries and feedbacks. You can know the privacy policy of this app, and you can also know the app information. So not going to the deep, this is that. And next there are 2 tabs. Let's create a new meeting. I will just click on it, and my camera is on. You can see that my camera is on, and this is the meeting details what you want. These meeting details you can share with your friends to invite them. And this audio also, you can see audio button. I can off the button, I can on it, I can video also. I can switch it on, I can switch it off, and flip button is also there. You can switch your video like front camera or rear camera, and you can also leave the meeting, end the meeting. And now you have the chat button on the left side. Yes, at the right side, sorry. And here you can see messages. You can send messages. Like I sent a message now. Hi, namaste. And you can also you can also take a photo. You can also send a photo or video from the library, or you can also send a document. So you can see the chatting is at the next level. So this much only this chatting is. And now here you can see the share button. You can see at the left side, left corner. You can share this meeting details to your friends or anyone who want to attend this meeting. So if suppose I want to invite my friend, I will share this meeting ID code with him in a SMS form, mail form, or any form like sharing form. So if he clicks the link and enters the code, what you can see here, he can just join the meeting. And now here you can also see the participants. How many participants are joined? Only I am there because I am the screen sharing with you, that's why. So this is the app, how it looks like a Say Namaste. It's a very simple video conferencing app.
Made in India product scanner. This app, I like it very much, and this app is very useful for our Swadeshi movement, which is called as Atmanirbhar campaign, started by our Indian Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. You may be wondering that how it benefits this Swadeshi movement. So when you go to shops, when you see the product's origin, sometimes it is written that made in India, made in China, made in USA, but in some products it is not written. So you feel confused that when you look at the product, shall I buy it or not, shall we help Swadeshi movement or not, because you don't know that in which country it is manufactured. To know this result, every product has a barcode, and this app, when we scan the barcode, it will say from which country the product has originated. So now we'll use this app in some products and check it out how it works.
And now let's move on to the number 4 app, that is your Made in India product scanner. Let's open it, and when you open this app, you can see here scan now. Scan the product barcode to find out the origin country of your product, or you can also enter the product barcode if the scan option is not working. So let's first find out the features of this app, then we can check products. We can do experiment test. Here you can see 3 dots. You can rate this app, you can share this app, the link how we did in Say No Say, and you can also check this app's privacy policy. And this is only, and now let's see how it works on products. Now we will be scanning different products.
I already told you before how to use this app, but I will now use this app on the products and scan those. So here you can see these are 2 apps, scan now, and by entering the barcode also you can do. So I already told you how to click the buttons and all. So some products we'll take this biscuit packet, scan will be there. This scan will scan just, and yes, it's coming. Product originated from India and you're contributing to Atmanirbhar initiative. So when a product it scans, it comes that product originated. When an Indian product it gets come, it also gives a caption that congratulations, you're contributing towards Atmanirbhar initiative. And it also, for every originating country, share the awesome app. So you can also share this app. Now next product will go. I will just rapidly go with products and I will just tell you the country. Now next we'll take this vapor up. Yes, now we'll scan it. Now here comes the problem. While some products, because of their tearness, because of their blurriness of the QR code, it does not come. So for that thing, we need to use entering of the product barcode. Because sometimes when we buy products and it gets very old, the barcodes are not clearly mentioned. They are some torn off. So for this, at least the barcode number should be visible, and we just will enter. Just I'm entering the barcode. 1 minute. I'm entering the barcode. Double 779. Okay, I entered the barcode of this Vapor of Vicks product, and I will just done search. I'm searching, and it is showing that product originated from Japan. So even if you scan, even if you enter the barcode, the same result comes. So this product is a foreign product, it's a Japan product. This you can just, while you go to grocery shop, when you are buying products, you can just scan the barcode. You can just take the product, you can just scan the barcode and just know that whether it's an Indian product or it's a foreign brand. Let's encourage the Indian products in this way. Is Elements, India's very own first social media platform app. This is a very recent app launched by our Vice President of India, Mr. Venkaiah Naidu, with other popular dignitaries like the chairman of Art of Living and the chairman of Enadu Publishers and etc. So this app is a very useful app that, like, you have used Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. So Elements, the word only says that it contains all the elements of all the most social media. So like in WhatsApp you can't access Facebook, and in Facebook you can't accept WhatsApp, and in Instagram you can't accept neither Facebook nor WhatsApp. But in Elements, the features of these all social media features are there in one app that is called Elements. Means features of a social media all apps come in one app, or elements of all social media apps come in one app, that is Elements, ELYMENTS. This is a very useful app and it's a very recent app. What we can do in this app, that just like Facebook, newsfeed is there, we can post our updates, we can post, and WhatsApp, like WhatsApp we can chat also, chat with same like very advanced chatting is there, like we can send photos and videos, we can send documents, we can chat how we did in other apps. And one more thing, that we can make video and voice calls just as we did it in WhatsApp. So I think that this is the combination of the world, all social media platforms into one, that is Elements. Now let's go into the Elements app and see how it works.
And now we are going to our number 3 app, the third position app in our ranking, that is Elements. Let's open the Elements app, which is in purple and pink shade. And now you can see the first is conversations, like WhatsApp, what we did, the conversation here you can do. And you can also call option is there. You can also call, like I didn't add any of my friends, that's why you can add the friends and call, video call or voice call. And you can also add new friends, like what you have in contacts. And now let's go to alerts, notifications, request, friend request, anyone is sending us friend request, it will show up here. And any activities, such as some user commented on my post, like that you can see. Next, settings, if you'll go, here is my account, this is the account, and these are settings what we have. Let's go to Hub, first option. Hub means the shopping we can do in this, games we can play in this, we can also know news, we can also study reports of health and lifestyle, Bollywood, fashion, sports, and do it yourself, DIY. And let's go to one of the most, like Facebook and Instagram, what we use, like that. Social option is there. I'm clicking on the social option, and this is the feed. Discover will you go, so we can just scroll down and see what feeds are there here. Just we can scroll down, we can read, just we can like, and I also have shared one thing. I also shared my channel link in the Elements app. So like this it works. Elements app is also a very superb social media platform for India. Like it needs to be upgraded, and I think that it will be upgraded in the future. And that now we'll close this Elements app and we'll return to our next number 2 app.
My India Move. I didn't expect that this app will be so advanced. When I used navigation apps like Google Maps, there was a very advanced features in Google Maps. But when I opened this app, there were a lot of advanced features than other navigation apps. This map had direction, that wherever we can go. This map showed what are the coffees, what are the restaurants, what are the fuel stations around you. Just like I can give you the example of app Google Maps, how we did. It's just like same. But one feature it attracted me, and it will attract you also, is COVID-19 map. Now corona cases are spreading like hell, and we don't know where cases are there. You can also access in Arogya Setu app that you can go to this, your radius is this much kilometers. But can you identify green zone, yellow zone and red zone in the map? I think so, that websites are very less. But in this one application, the whole India is divided into 3 zones, green, red and yellow. So we can particularly see that this place in green zone, this place is red zone, this place is yellow zone. Red zone means there are constant cases. Yellow zone means there are no cases from 14 days. Green zone means there are no cases from 21 days. This helps know that whether we are in red zone, whether we are in yellow zone, whether we are in green zone, whether we are safe, whether our surroundings are safe. This app helps us a lot. So I request you to download this app. Now we'll go into this app and let's check out how it works. Now I will be opening the number 2 app, that is Map My India Move. So let's open this app, Map My India Move. In this app you can see your location, you can go anywhere, you can type any directions, like let's type Big Bazaar directions. Like you will get the directions and you can start the directions, like turn right, it is showing. And after typing you can just follow the direction and go to the place. And another good feature is in the COVID-19 map, which is a very good feature. Just click on the COVID-19 icon, and here you can see the India map is colored with 3 colors, red, yellow and green. Here you can see the down. Red means hotspot district with clusters or large outbreaks. Yellow means no confirmed case since last 14 days. Green means no confirmed case since last 21 days. So now here you can see the big cities like Mumbai, Delhi, and some large part of Rajasthan, like they fall in the red zone because many clusters are happening. And you can see the East India full in green zone because there is no international service to that place. And here you can see the west side a little red. And here you can also see the total number of cases in our country, active cases, recovery rate, and the death. And you can also find your location, like where you are, and you can find your places. Now moving back, quick access, you can report an issue, like, and you can also view how many what people are making issues on this. You can also set your home and work address. You can also share your location with friends. So this is this app, and now we will move on to the number one app. Revealing the number one Indian Swadeshi app, which is essential and useful. I will take some of the honorable mentions, which are also very entertaining and which are also very useful for us. The honorable mentions I will divide in categories and trend. For entertainment, Disney Plus Hotstar. For payment, PhonePe and Paytm. And for hotel room booking, OLX you can use. And for shopping, Flipkart you can use. And for music, JioSaavn, Ghana you can use. And for cab booking you can use Ola. And for news you can use InShots, which will give you news which are less than 60 seconds, and you can read them fast like what we do in Quick Knowledge. So these are some of the functions which are also useful for the apps, and I also request you to also use them once. And I also appreciate these apps because they have been serving us since many years and we have been using them. And now I will reveal my number one app. The number one app is 1mg. We have been using this 1mg for over 2 or 3 years, but okay, if you don't use this app, please install it. I recommend you to install this app. This app is a very extraordinary app in a next level. Now these days, health is very important for us. Health is wealth. Without health, we are nothing. And now, if we go to a hospital or a chemist shop, as coronavirus is spreading rapidly, we have a chance that we can contract the coronavirus disease also. So what shall we do? In home, we can't treat the disease. We can't order tablets. You can do this in only 1mg app. This 1mg app offers healthcare services like in a next level. That the first feature is that you can book the medicines you want. Like if I want a paracetamol, I can just type paracetamol, I can just add to my card and just book it. They will only deliver to your house step. Next feature is that by prescription you can order your medicine. That if a doctor has given you a prescription and you want to order those medicines in online in 1mg, you can just take a photo of that prescription. After taking the photo of the prescription, you can just upload it in the sector where you need it in the 1mg app, and then you can the medical department in the 1mg app will suggest you the medicines and they will only order it. Our next feature is a very extraordinary feature, that health services, online consultation. Nowadays we can't go to hospitals, I told you before. So how to do online hospitals? Popular hospitals have been giving numbers, but in 1mg, like if doctor is not available, just 1mg in that sector, you need to type what health problem you have. Suppose one has a headache and one has one body pain, they can just type their problem. They can just choose the problems what they give in the options, and after choosing that, they will suggest you some medications, and they will also suggest you the contact the doctor whom you want to visit in your own language, so that you can contact the doctor. Some fee will be there to be paid in online, like online payment apps, what I told you before. You can pay that fee and you can consult a doctor and you can be a healthy person in the online way. So this app is a very extraordinary app, and this app must be in everyone's phone. So now let's check out the 1mg app and let's check out how it works. Now let's open the top app, that is 1mg. It's a health service app, and now you can see it will show your location and it will show 4 tabs: medicines, health products, lab tests, and ask doctor. Lab test means what you can take tests, health checkups, where we can take the checks, tests, and you popular test names also it will display. Next, medicines. If you want any medicines, here I will type some paracetamol tablet, and it will show all the tablets. We can book, we can add them to the card. You can see the add button. Health products also we can like I want a sanitizer or hand washer. Here are the products, we can add them to card and order them. And next is ask doctor, which is a very important one. I will just start a new consultation. You should put, and here it is asking for whom, myself or someone, myself I'll put. So here you can just in these all options you need to choose your problem. Like suppose one has fever, headache or stomach pain, he has to choose those options. Then these health assistant, 1mg health assistant will give you some medications and also give you the contact of the doctor where you need to pay it. Yes, leave chat after over. Now these are the features of 1mg. It's a very extraordinary app. Here you can see body health checkup, featured brands, COVID-19 essential, made in India, health products, baby care, healthy products, and some devices, health devices. Here you can see all, and here shop by health concern, like someone has respiratory, so what are the products related to that. So here you can see all the products, and here you can also read health articles, your account, and some rate us, need help, and about us. So this is the app overall, how to use it. Now I explained all the top 5 Indian Swadeshi apps which are essential and useful, and I also told you how to use them. But don't think that I'm sponsored any of these apps. I'm not sponsored by any of these apps. Clearly I'm telling it now. This is my honest review. This is my honest review on these apps, and I'm just stating that how to use this app and the importance of these apps. We don't encourage our Indians, but we encourage others. We need to encourage our Indians, then only our country will develop. This development issue, I have given the statement in my last video, loopholes in India's development, which I have given in the above I button and link in the description. So I hope that you like this video, and I hope that you get a good information. You got a very new good information that you never got, and I recommend you to download these 5 apps, install these 5 apps on your mobile phone. These are available on Android and iOS devices. I will give the download links in the description so that you can easily click on the link and download as per your iOS and Android devices. I will give a separate link for those both. And please download these apps, and let's encourage our Indians, and let's give our first priority to Indian. I have been saying the same matter from my last 3 or 4 videos. So I hope that you like this video. Also please like our Facebook page, which I have given the link in the description. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a like button in the video, and just share this good informative video to your friends or relatives or family members, so that they can also get a knowledge about this. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Stay tuned to Quick Knowledge.